guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and I would really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel. As you all have read by the title, this video is going to be a D-Mart haul. So about D-Mart, this is for all the Mangaloreans out there. So D-Mart is a superstore which was recently opened near Attawar. I'll make sure to link the address if possible, but I can say it's somewhere when you're going from Attawar from railway station, you get it after the Krishna Janmashtami ground and before KMC Hospital Attawar. So this supermarket is somewhere between these two. So yeah, and I went for shopping like yesterday, that is the Wednesday, 9th of September. So I went yesterday night and it was really very crowded. It just opened and they have like this great offers. So it was so crowded and there were so many people. So first thing I want to tell you guys is that go, but take your precautions and then go, because there are many people and it will be crowded. So you should be responsible for your own safety, and please maintain distance, social distancing, because when I went, the watchman and the people over there, the employees of D-Mart, were struggling to maintain the social distancing, and then the cops had to come and all those scenes. So I would request, if you all are going there, please maintain social distancing and make it easier for the employees over there and for your own prevention. So yeah, that's about it. Okay, so the first thing that I want you guys to know is that this video, I'm doing it on my own. Nothing is sponsored or nothing is like for PR or anything like that. So yeah, we wanted some items and that's why we shopped. Also, one more thing I would like to tell is that when we went, as it was crowded, there were short of trolleys, so we had to use this basket, and I feel that was one negative point, because if people want to shop more, they would need a trolley and that would be comfortable, isn't it? So that is one problem that we faced, and we had to shop the whole, purchase everything and put it in the basket itself. So that is one thing where we faced a problem. Maybe that's because they've just started, and if you go to there are like 3 floors. So if you go to the 3rd floor, it's not fully furnished yet. So maybe they are, trying to completely furnish and get some more trolleys and all of that. So that is one thing. And also make sure to take your own cloth bag, because you will have to pay, like we had to pay 16 rupees I guess for one cloth bag. So if you are willing to take your own cloth bag, you can take it. So without any further ado, let's start with the haul. So the first thing that we bought, like the main intention behind going there, was to buy a pressure cooker. So we bought this Surya Intex special cooker. Yeah, it's heavy. And yeah, so this was on a great offer. We got 3 cookers, that is the 5 liter, 3 liter and 2 liter for 1199. So that is somewhere close to 1200. So that is a good deal, I can say, because there is Prestige which has like 5 liter, just one 5 liter cooker for 900. And when you compare that and this, obviously brand differs, but when you compare that and this is of a better price, I can say, better offer, I can say. So this is 2 liter cooker, 2 liter pan, I can say, not exactly a cooker. And this is 3 liter cooker, 3 liter. And this is a 5 liter cooker. So these are the 3 items, and there were 2 vessels also. Yeah, so these 2, I'm not gonna open and show it, it's normal obviously. So yeah, these 2 we got it for all the 3 items, because for pan I don't think so you need a vessel, it's just a frying pan, so that's it. And yeah, so about this product, I think it's a great offer. So if you all are in need of a pressure cooker, do go and avail this offer. So we also got a warranty card along with this. The second offer is this bag of cornflakes. So this, for one it's somewhat 330. Yeah, for one it's 330, and we got this on offer, buy one get one free. How cool is that? So yeah, this one I feel it's a very good offer. So if you all are in need of, and also it was not only cornflakes, you had they had muesli and all of that, so you all can just avail this offer. So it was for 330, so we got 2 bags of cornflakes for 330. Next thing that we bought was this soft, very soft bed cover. I can say we are using it for bed right now. You can also use it as a bed sheet or a sofa cover. It's very big, like it's very long. So yeah, it's very soft and it's so comfy. So yeah, this was for 149. This was in the clothes section, I feel, the second floor. I'm not sure about the floors, but yeah. And this one, I feel it's very much worth, because it's very soft and the material is damn good, so you can use it anywhere. So now this is my favorite out of all, the velvet fur pillow cover. So this one was for 79 rupees. Yeah, 79 rupees, and we bought 2 of these. Just tell me who doesn't love fur. So yeah, we just bought this, and one is already in use, and this is, I think I'll use it for pillow or anything. So I'm just loving this. Next thing is this men's handkerchief, and this has like a 6 pieces, 6 handkerchief, and this was for 99 rupees. Yeah, DMart price is 99 rupees, and the material is also good cotton material, and yeah, I feel this is worth. So the next thing is these tissues. We got it on an offer of buy one get one free, and the price is 35. So we got 2 tissues, 2 pack of tissues for rupees 35, and I feel it's a good offer. And what do I even say about tissues? They are normal. So yeah, let's go to the next one. So this is Himalayan Neem face wash, and this is my most favorite face wash ever. Like, I don't know, this suits my skin very well, so I've been using this. And this was for 190, but on offer we got it for 140 or 150, I guess. I feel that's normal. I feel that's a normal offer, but yeah, I just wanted this, so I bought this. Next thing is my favorite, wooden cloth clip. So I wanted this long back. I actually wanted this for the vision board, which is right here, to clip all the articles, photos and all of that. So I wanted it then, but now I got it for 18 rupees, and I feel it's way better. Like, the offer is damn good. Let me see the price. Oh no, sorry, the price is 20 and the DMart price is 18 rupees, so that is fine, like 2 rupee off. But I wanted this, so I just bought this. I wanted it anyway. I would have anyway bought it, so I just bought it from there. Next offer is on this Colgate Zigzag toothbrush. So this is a pack of 6 toothbrushes, and the price is actually 99, but we got it for rupees 64. And yeah, I feel this is a good offer, because 6 brushes at 64 is totally worth. So yeah, this is a good offer. The next thing is this Dabur Red toothpaste. We use this toothpaste, so that's why I bought this. And yeah, the actual price is 97, but the DMart price was 85, so nearly 8 rupees difference. And this offer is not that great, but it's fine. Yeah, it's totally fine. Like, to some extent it's fine, I feel, because if you're using some sort of toothpaste, if you're used to that toothpaste, you would obviously buy it. So we actually needed this. We didn't see the offer, so we just bought this. So the next thing is snacks, but when it came to snacks, we didn't buy much of it, because we started buying snacks in the end, but we were like already full, like we had so much to carry. So then we just bought like 2 packs of biscuits. So the first one we bought was obviously Parle-G, and yeah, this is actually for 70 rupees, but the DMart price is 58 rupees. It's good. It's kind of good, I feel. And we also bought one more biscuit, that is Mom's Magic, and that was for, wait, let me just see this. I'm not sure about the prices. So we bought, where is it? Sunfeast Mom's Magic. So it was for some 90 or 100, 120 something, and we got it for 75, and that is a good offer. So yeah, we just bought 2 biscuits, and that's it. So the next item, how can we forget that item, like wherever we go, and it's not enough how much ever you buy that. So yeah, that is mask. So we bought this mask, like it was a pack of 3 for 99, and the material and all of that is pretty good. So it was for 99, like a pack of 3 for 99. So yeah, this was a good deal, I feel, and I just love the mask, like the way it is inside. It's some material. I'm very bad at material, but it's some cloth, and outside it's like this net come some strong material. Oh my god, I'm so bad at materials, finding out materials. But yeah, this is a good deal. The next thing is very cute. We bought this cute cup, a yellow color cup, and it was for 49 rupees. We just saw it and we felt it so cute and we just bought it. I didn't even see if there was offer for this or anything. We just bought this and it's so cute. The next item belongs to that category where you buy so many of them but it's not enough. Yes, it's the ladies handkerchief. So this one was for, this has how many pieces? 12. Okay, so there are 12 handkerchief and the actual price is 95, but we got it for 79, and this is fine, like 75 to 95, 79 to 95, it's 15 rupees difference. But yeah, we have like 12 of them and this is a good offer, I can say. Okay, so the last item of this haul was this cable for 49 rupees. This is, I don't know what type of cable, C type I feel, yeah. So this was for 49 rupees and we just, there was this basket, like basket kind of a thing where there were so many cables, like, you know, just put all together. So we just bought this one because even if you don't need it now, you will need it for somebody else who visits your house or anywhere. Just get them, okay? So did I sound like I'm ordering? I'm sorry, but I just wanted to tell that this might come to use anytime, anywhere. So yeah, we just bought them and it was for 49. Yeah guys, so that's it for the video and we're done with the haul. So I feel you guys might have seen what are the offers, and also I want to tell you one more thing, that these are the items that we actually needed, which were more essential for us at that time. So we just bought these, but there were other items also. I feel the best offers that I could see is sanitary pads. There were great offers on sanitary pads, soaps, and clothes also. You get like 199, you get a nice kurta for 199, like nice in the sense a normal one for 199, and you had this they had this men's sportswear for 99 rupees, men's t-shirt for 199, jeans for 399, and bottles. Okay, this bottles, I don't know, I was like so shocked. There were bottles like so cute, such cute bottles for 19 rupees, like 19. I'm not even kidding. And I don't know why they had like so many collections of bottles. And yeah, there were other items also. You get all the kitchen appliances, and the one thing that I didn't find is the cosmetics. So maybe they'll get it, or maybe I didn't go. Maybe I don't know if it's there or not. According to me, I didn't see it anywhere, the cosmetics. So yeah, they just had the soap and all of that, clothes, soap, home appliances, and snacks, food, all of that. So yeah, and one more thing I forgot to tell you guys is that there is offer on all items. In case they don't put the DMart price compared to the actual price, there will be a board which has minimum 6% off on all the products, even if it's not, even if they have not mentioned any offer. That is like by default, I feel, I don't know. So you get this minimum of 6% off on all the products, provided they should not be having any other offer. If the DMart price is already given, that means it is not applicable for that. But in case there are no offers or any item, 6% offer applies to that, according to what I understood. So yeah, overall, if I have to tell, this is one of the greatest, one of the good place, a good supermarket in Mangalore. We all have to visit it once at least, because they have this amazing offer, and I'm just telling it again and again. So in case you are in search of any of the items, do shop there. You get offers. And yeah, that's it. So we are done with today's video. I'll see you in my next video. So until then, lots of love.